Welcome to the Stat Tree video module for Cochran's Q. To test whether there are differences between 3 or more categorical variables, the Cochran's Q test would be appropriate. This test is similar to the Repeated Measures ANOVA, but for categorical variables. You will need 3 dichotomous categorical variables in order to run this test. In looking at the Preferred Entertainment Viewing Survey, the era of preferred movie is categorical with 2 nominal values. Fortunately, subjects were tested for preference of movie era before and after viewing movie trailers in our experiment. The original survey response, as well as the first and second exposure to a movie trailer treatment to this preference of movie era, would be appropriate for our demonstration. With the PEVS dataset open in Stata, you would choose era as the first variable, era T2 as the second variable, and era T3 as the third variable. To run the Cochran's Q test for differences, type in the following code in the command box. This code can be copied from the new browser window when you press the script button on the sending page from the Stat Tree module. Select the code. Press the Enter button on your keyboard. Stata will generate an output in the results window. As with all statistical tests, the first result to look for is the significance figure associated with the test score. If the significance figure meets your preset criterion, you will need to report your test results in your research paper. You will find that significance figure here. In this test, we have met our significance criterion. Here is your test result. You would report this figure as well as the sample size figure next to n for this significant finding. If the significance figure does not meet the criterion, test results do not need to be reported in your research paper. However, you will need to report that the test failed to find a significant difference or relationship in the data. To see what this output looks like, along with a reporting example, press the Output button on the sending page from the Stat Tree module.